Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to set up a payment gateway or cash on delivery in your e-commerce site. In this video I am going to explain you how you can take your orders by setting up cash on delivery on your website, and then you can also set up a payment gateway to receive the payments directly. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. Thank you. So let's go to the dashboard. So here in this dashboard, whenever you will go to this WooCommerce part, so here you will find like setup a payment option. So just click on the setup payments and it will show you this whether you want to set up your Stripe or PayU. For WooCommerce we can also set up this PayU. Then it is like cash on delivery if you want to enable this cash on delivery, or direct bank transfer. So direct bank transfer is not that much fruitful. So you can enable cash on delivery to get a delivery whenever someone will order the product. Let's go to the product page. Here what I will do, I will add this product. Okay, it is asking me to choose some of the options. Let me choose it and I will click on add to cart. Once I will go to this add to cart, here I will see my cart option. Let's go to the cart option and here proceed to checkout. Let's go to the proceed to checkout and you will find this cash on delivery, pay with cash upon delivery, and you can fill your address details and you can place your order over here. Now if you want to set up any Razorpay or PayU for WooCommerce, so here you will find this setup option, where in this Razorpay setup you can enable like UPI option if you are from India. As you can see, UPI is the most commonly practices over here. So as you can see, plugins were successfully activated, so it has installed one plugins over here. You can check it in the plugin section. Whenever you will go to this plugins option, you will find Razorpay for WooCommerce plugin by Team Razorpay. This is the plugin that you have to install. Then here let's go to the setup option to set up the Razorpay in our payment gateway. As you can see here in this payment option, enable this. If you want to enable this payment gateway, then pay securely by credit or debit card or internet banking through Razorpay. This is the description in the payment. Then here the key ID and key secret, these are the important things that you have to give it over here. And then payment action, authorize and capture, or authorize, you can select it. Then order completion message, this is the after the payment what message you want to enable, you can enable that one. And then webhooks event like payment authorized or refund created, these are the hooks. So now let's click on this save changes and let's go to the Razorpay side and let me show you what are the key ID and key secret you want to give it over here. So first of all, let's go to this Razorpay, and here in this Razorpay site, let's go to this Razorpay option. Now here we have to sign up over here. So let me quickly sign up over here. Now it is asking you about the unregistered business or anything. If you have, or if you have then any registered business, you can select it. So type of business, then click on next. Then here you have to enter your name and mobile number. So let me quickly enter our name over here, the CMS guys, and then here I will enter a mobile number. Once you will enter your mobile number and name, then you have to click on this next button. And after clicking on the next button, here you can see it is taking us to the Razorpay dashboard. Once you will go to the Razorpay dashboard, here you are just one step away by accepting the payment. So it is asking you to activate, so you can select your categories, what are the categories, books and publication, business description, or without website, on my website, or app. You can already do a setup over here, like what are your registered PAN and all these details you can give. But now I am using a test option. So here you can see you are in test mode enabled, so generate test key. So you have to click on this generate test key and you can download the key details also. So once you will get these just test key, here you can open it, and here you can see this is my key ID and this is the key secret. Let me copy this key ID first, and then I will go to this and I will give it my key ID. In the same way, let me copy this key secret also, and I will enter this key secret over here. Now let's click on save changes. Once you will click on this save changes, I'm not going to save this one, let's do not save. All right, now cannot enable webhook for localhost server, so I am enable, let's not enable Razorpay webhook. Let's click on save changes. So we have like enter your settings were saved. Now in this checkout page, let me refresh it again, and now you can see like we are getting this credit card, debit card option. So let me quickly give it some dummy address over here, the CMAs, then country India, and I will give it a Hyderabad, city Hyderabad. Then you can serve 5, phone number 123456789, and then I will click on place order. Once you will go to this place order option, as you can see over here, this is our test key. So it is taking us over here where we can enter this, select any, it is giving us like this is the demo e-commerce, as you can see, and here our phone number and email, all details are coming, and you can set up like user you want to pay through UPI or anything, any card details or any UPI net banking, you can select anything. So you can set it as card details also. Now what I will do, like card number, I can set up a card number like this over here, and then expiry I can select any of this like 12/27/111, and I can pay it, and it will redirect me to this Razorpay, and it is asking me for the OTP for your card ending. And once you will enter the OTP, you can easily able to click on submit, and you can get the payment option successful. You can also go to this net banking option, and you can select any of this net banking, and it will like as you can see, this is the success message. This is just a demo blank page, as we are in test mode. Just click on success, and once the payment will be success, you will get like a payment method you have done, your order number and all. Now when you will come to your site, and let me refresh the site, and here in this WooCommerce, in the order section, you will see you are getting one order. So in this way you can integrate your payment. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you want to learn this type of more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification of every